Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with Luvwin hair. They sent me over this beautiful salt and pepper wig. I'm a little sick, feeling under the weather, but I had to come and give you guys this video. But yes, if you guys want to see me install this beautiful salt and pepper frontal, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming on my channel, and let's get into this install. All right, you guys, we're working with Luvwin hair today. So you get this cute little pouch. We've got a hairband, 2 hair clips, some mink lashes. These look good. Wig caps, rat tail comb, and a melting band. All right, you guys, and then we have our wig. Ooh, this is long. How many inches is this? I don't even know. We have a salt and pepper wig. It's a 13 by 4. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut. This is a glueless wig too, you guys. So I'm gonna try my best to install this glueless for y'all. So let's get into the inside. We've got, it's a 13 by 4, parting space in the middle. We've got 4 combs and a adjustable elastic band with the little grip strips on there. And this is also adjustable, so that's really nice. You can get a nice snug fit. And then it also has the grip around the outside as well, and it does stretch on each side. So it should be a nice, comfortable fit. Yes, this is a beginner-friendly wig. A ratio on the salt and pepper is 70-30. So it's 70 gray and then 70 salt and 30 pepper. Okay. And they said that they can get that adjusted if you like have a different preference, if you want more black than gray if you want. So definitely can make adjustments with that, but the hair feels really, really nice. I'm not sure how long this is. It's like 16 inches, maybe 18 inches. Again, I'll put that below here. But the hair feels really, really nice. Feels good. Ooh, it actually smells good too. It doesn't have like that wig synthetic type of smell. Also, I'm kind of sick, you guys, too, so forgive my like low energy. It's actually making, I feel like I'm getting a headache every time I try to say a long sentence, and I feel like I can't breathe. So anyway, forgive me. But anywho, this looks really, really nice. The hair feels good. It feels really, really good. So let's go ahead and install this baby. I'm gonna take my hot comb and comb these edges back, lay them down a little bit, and then let's get into this salt and pepper wig. All right, y'all, so I'm all finished. I decided to do a side part instead of a middle part, just because I felt like it was gonna spice it up a little bit more. But yes, you can definitely wear this down the middle, left, right. You could probably do a half up, half down if you want to. But this hair just feels so good. All I did was run my straightener through the hair, hot combed the edges, threw some baby hairs in there. I also put some foundation on the parting and some foundation powder on the lace as well, just to make it blend some more. It is still glueless, as you can see. Love it. She's beautiful. I've never wore a wig this color before. I gotta get used to it, but I think I'm already starting to like it. But the quality of this hair is what I do like for sure. It is just so, it's like non-tangly, hasn't tangled up one time. It was super easy to straighten. There wasn't very many kinks in it to start with, so that's nice. But yes, this is the wig from Luvwin Hair. It is a salt and pepper 13x4. Again, you can get the salt and pepper custom to your liking. This is a 70-30, so 70 gray, 30 black, or pepper. So yes, she's beautiful. I love her. This is a cute little switch up. I like it. Make sure you guys comment below and tell me how you guys feel about this wig. I think she is super cute. She's giving fine grandma. I'm just playing. But no, it is really, really cute, you guys. I love it. Super easy to put on. It didn't take me very long at all. Oh, I did also trim the ends a little bit as well. But yes, that is the wig. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.